good day. Here is the part 1 list of commonly used adjectives. In order to have a good practice, kindly record while reading the adjective loud and clear. This program is brought to you by iVolunteer for Filipino Children. By the way, adjective is a word that describes a noun. In this video, we will listen to Josue as he reads the most commonly used adjectives. Take it away, Josue.
Part 1.
Describes
Adjective is a word that describes a noun. Good.
Courageous. Courageous.
Adventurous.
Adventurous. Adventurous.
Cooperative.
Cooperative. Cooperative.
Alert. Aggressive. First. Last. Long. Great. Little.
Little.
Own. Other. Old. Right. Big. High. Different.
Different.
Small. Large. Next. Early. Young. Few.
Few.
Public. Bad.
Bad.
Same. Adorable. Amiable.
Amiable.
Amused. Pleasing. Appetizing. Average. Beautiful. Exasperated. Blushing. Bored. Brave. Bright. Dim. Broad. Bulky. Burly. Charming. Graceful. Cheerful. Glorious. Careful. Grieving. Handsome. Lovely. Lonely. Lively. Lucky. Large. Huge. Salty. Round. Sarcastic. Nervous. Naughty. Simple. Nasty. Appealing. Chubby. clear, clean, lean, cloudy, clueless, clumsy, cool, creepy, crooked, boiling, cumbersome, curved, cynical, dangerous, daring, delicious, disturbed, dreadful, dizzy, dull, drain, adorable, deceitful, dashing, decade, deep, boastful, helpless, helpful, hungry, hollow,
Hollow.
shallow.
Shallow. Watch our part 2 of the list of adjectives. Inaanyayahan ko ang mga kabataan na gustong sumali sa libreng tutorial ng IVFC. Sali lang po kayo from Mondays to Saturdays. See you there!